Bum, bum, bada, bada, bum, bum, bum. What's up? Chatty, chatty, chat, chat, chat. What's up, Raymond? I need to change my project command. Thank you for reminding me. Okay, got it. Yeah, yeah. I'm at Finding Versatile. It's awesome, man. A lot of smart people, a lot of engaging work getting done, a lot of just constant improvement that people are doing. Yeah, it's really interesting. I think the only struggle I'm having is well, that's way too loud. I think the only thing I'm like genuinely struggling with is there's so many cool things going on that there's so many cool things going on that I don't even know where to look first. How do I change the volume on this? Melky. I guess I'll just do this and then do that. I tell you that one's annoying. No, 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 no. Oh, it doesn't even work how I want it to. Okay, so then that's not a thing. Never mind. 500,000 in debt. No, not for Kidder. Sorry, one sec. I'll fix it in 1 second. I'm dealing with my La Musica. There we go. You guys gotta tell me when you recognize songs. I'm gonna spend 500 G's. Where's that? I need this one. I'm just gonna literally start handing out cash to those of you that show up. Does that sound good? Pay you guys to watch me. I just get so lonely. There we go. Okay, I think it should be fixed. There we go. Okay, friend. Let's see who's streaming right now. I know I'm everybody's second favorite streamer, so who else is going? The real Anthony's streaming. What else we got? I don't even recognize most of these homies. I'm gone for 2 weeks, and there's just people everywhere. I wasn't even gone for 2 weeks. I've been here. Just trying to get my head above water, mostly. Like I said, there's so many cool things to do. Just like, which one do I do? I want this back. Dink. And we'll make me big. There we go. I imagine I live there, product. Yeah. No, I mean, okay, where do I need to be at? I need, not gonna lie, I've been doing a lot of programming on an Apple machine, and I'm almost instantly missing it. Okay, I want to go. Oh, I hope I pushed my changes from last night. I was working in bed. Lol. I think this is actually the wrong... Oh wait, I need Corgi. There we go. Now we'll be in the right spot. Alright, mate. Let me see if I have my changes. I would think I do. Otherwise, I have to go grab my laptop. Get out of here, bro. What's up, Quilla? Oh, Owen. Oh. What? Already up to date? Oh, really? Does that mean Sorry, I gotta blow this stuff up for you guys. Boom. Does that mean... Let's see. Where did I expect myself to be assigning those? Okay, I think I'm where I wanted to be. Do I have Dolka? I do. In fact, I have too much going on. I don't know what any of this is. Oh, that was when I was dealing with Kidder. I do. Two. Yeah, full stack comedian. What of it? I do the back end of the joke and then I do the front end of the joke. Anthony, what about the middleware? Yes, there is a setup. There is setup for a joke. I understand, but one thing at a time. Okay. All right. So here's what's going on here. We've got containers. Good. For I just closed Spotify on accident. Streamer, are you okay? Streamer. Okay, so I was building a seed for our development environment. The obnoxious part to this is that you have relations that go on that are really annoying to handle. And so I am. And we're using a combination of Zod Prisma and where'd it go? This Anatine Zod Mock thing. This should actually be up here. This Anatine Zod Mock thing. What we're doing is, what's up, Edgewins? What we're doing is we are generating the seed data off of the validations that come out of the other side of Prisma. We couldn't really find anything for seeding Prisma that was like nice. And so this is like as close as we could get with doing as little work as possible, but still getting what we needed out of it. So, yeah. So let's jump into here. Yarn DB Studio. This one's annoying too. Why are all these so annoying now? Maybe I'm just hearing them now. I'll just turn it down for me a little bit. So, we have nothing right now, as expected. Be lurking, working on a project, and you're not even gonna tell me what it is. Wow. Selfish? Thoughts, chat? Selfish? Prisma, yarn, seed. So if I run that, it should be fine. Should be fine. Start, oh, or not. Oh right, I need my stripe key. Sweep A. Nope, that's not what I wanted. A lot of people looking for a job. I support that effort. Keep me updated. Duh. Look, if you're working on something and you don't tell me about it, and you're listening to this sweet, silky voice right now, I got news for you. You're messing it up. I've got to put a key in here. Don't worry about it. You'll be fine. Streamer! Can't see your screen, streamer! Streamer? 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 Just trying to make jobs. That's what I'm talking about. My man said, I'm kind of on a different level. Hello. Ah, bless my heart. Let me check this key. Oh no, it's not gonna be there. I am dumb. The man's said, I got a little bit of a different idea. I've always found, okay, just do it. It's not that hard. I've always found, I've always found the rhetoric of business owners make jobs to be so corny. They don't. They see an opportunity in the market and they address it. The market makes the job. And I've always hated that rhetoric. Particularly, I mean, I don't know how it is elsewhere, but like in American political theater, that sort of rhetoric gets used to like misuse funds basically, and it annoys me, but I don't know what it's like elsewhere. Baby, tell me what to do. No, you're a baby. I am a beautiful butterfly. What's up, Gusty? All right. By the way, this work today might not be too sexy. Just to say it, to be honest. We're gonna be trying to get this seed in there. It looks like I don't even remember where I left off, so data 00. I thought it was in a spot that I'd left it and it was chilling. Sus. Oh. How's the Versa? It's good, man. Challenging. A lot of people. A lot of collaboration, which is new for me. Which is definitely new for me because I've always worked by myself. But it's cool. Do I think that I have some work that I didn't push on my laptop? Get push. Get push. Get push. I could have sworn that I did. I have to go check because I don't feel like rewriting what I did because it was not fun. BRB, 1 second. What's up, Peasant? Dirty Dangles, boys. Dirty Dangles. I got a headrest, and I really like it, by the way. In completely irrelevant news, let's see. Did I push? But Anthony, do you ship? Are you one shippy boy? You're 10 ply, bud. You're a Danish in a donut shop, fam. I have Space Vim. I was messing around last night, and I put Space Vim on this machine. I was like, oh, maybe I'm gonna like this one. Where is VS Code? Speaking of things that matter, did I? I don't think I did. My cap. Tell me something I don't know. Get push. Everything's up to date. Okay, never mind. What is this then? Oh, that's the ESLint. Never mind. Dirt. Still using Node. It's been 3 days. How have you not switched? You're not even memeing. You're right. I'm sorry. Let me switch everything that I've ever done to Bun. Seriously. If you aren't using Bun yet, Let me tell you. Front end? No, Bun is, here. Bun is, supposed to be the node killer, just like all the other ones, right? It's supposed to be fast. We don't know if that's true. It's supposed to come with, like a dummy DB, I guess, for you, like a runner or a daemon or something. I don't know. I haven't really looked at it that much because I don't really care. I've got stuff to do. Yeah, every language is blazingly fast, exactly. But something that I do like is coming with a test runner that like is actually fast, if this actually is right. I've seen people doing Bun install. I saw somebody do like a side-by-side comparison of like npm yarn and then Bun, like, and Dino, I think, like whatever. Long story short, the Bun one installed like flick of the wrist, and the rest of them were all right. But that only matters like very tangentially. Like, you don't spend most of your time installing packages. Well, and then it's built on JS Core, so it starts up faster, but it appears to be that when it actually, like, long term, like a running process isn't faster, might be slower. So I don't, like, why did we do that? Why didn't we attach it to V8 instead of JS Core? But okay. And then yeah, I mean, I do like having a linter and like a little SQLite thing to play with, and stuff like that, like all in one thing. It transpiles TypeScript. That's also another one. Here you go, transpiler, task runner, npm. Like, I like all that all in one nature of stuff, but like, it's like, okay, but does it work? I have stuff to do. I can't be the guy that experiments with it, but I know someone out there will. And following trends, yeah. I mean, it's possible that I'm gonna like this, but I have stuff to do. I would love to have time in my day to just screw around with this, but I don't. So it looks like I'm getting users in there, so that's at least fun. I'm gonna delete these. Oops. No, I'm not, apparently. I'm gonna delete these for now because what was in? But streamer content. Nope. Trial create many. So here I jacked it up. Data 0 acceptance method. Oops, that was what I wanted. These trials are going to be built. Acceptance method, trials map. Seems like it'll be there. That was its complaint, right? This is kind of annoying to read. I like reading. It's okay. I don't even... Yeah, exactly. It'll take a minute. It'll take a minute for stuff like that to make it to... where people are actually playing with it. Why do you hate me for that? Because you haven't restarted TypeScript. Hello? Oh. Weird for that. For instance, actually. For instance, this right here, my ESLint should be handling this and moving it onto, you know, an 80 line width. It's not. If something like Bun, Dino, whatever, once they're mature, can make me not deal with ESLint in a way that sucks anymore, all for it. Because I literally don't have 5 hours to sit here and spend to try to find one config deeply nested into ESLint across my code base that's gonna fix this or whatever. Or maybe it's prettier. Maybe it's, you know, I don't care enough for that right now. Alright, so it's saying that acceptance method is missing. I don't believe you. Show me your logs. Your logs. Show me your logs. Acceptance method. Acceptance method is missing. What? They're done. They're right there. Literally. I don't need to do that. No. Tear down. Look at that. I mean, there are undefined stuff. I'm just going off the first one that it says it's not seeing. Acceptance method right there. Why are you telling me? In data 0, 0. That no. Data 0. That's one too many levels of nesting. Why are you looking at data 0, 0? Oh, because it's a create many. So then that's an array that you give to create many data. That's how that works, fella. I gotta go look at Prism. Now I got myself all confused. I'm learning Go, playing Buffalo, compile everything needed to run my app in a single lib. Nice. Buffalo is kind of like Ruby. Nice. Amazing Nest? No. I like to... Nest does everything for you, right? Which is good to get started, but then eventually, like, you know, if your project, if you really are running a startup or whatever, you're gonna run into where Nest doesn't fulfill your requirements anymore, and I don't find it that difficult to not use Nest to set up an API over here and a web folder over there, put them together right. I don't really get it. It also uses decorator patterns, and I'm just very out on that in the first place. In TypeScript. What was I doing? Prisma create many. Data is an array of things. Array of things. That's what I'm giving you! Array of those. Why are you upset with me? Naughty. Data 0 accept. Ow, what is my leg doing? Data 0 acceptance method is missing. No, you're missing. Secretary ID is missing. Okay, what if I were to acceptance method is literally right there? Yes. Map. Exactly what I wanted to see. Oh! Dude! Thanks to the resub, and I just realized I didn't change the number that was on my sub goal, and now it looks like I'm like reaching for the stars over there, huh? Serious apologies. Streamer!
Streamer, why are you so greedy? That's a lot of subs for one day. There's only like 20 of us that ever even come hang out with you. Streamer, that's bad. That is not good.
I know. I'm sorry. Well, stream canceled. I have no, step one, and I have no idea what's going on. Data unknown args days. Wait, what happened? Did the problem I was dealing with dissipate? Is that what we're seeing? Oh, okay. This is what I was expecting to see. Okay, this is where I thought I left off. There we go. Why? What? No. I'm not asking questions. It works? It works. Oh, this guy's code smells out now. Great guy. Great guy. Great freaking guy. Okay, data 0 days. So, now, this days one, it needs to... Did you mean ID? I don't know. Did I? Okay, so here's what's going on here. This is a relation, and so I don't think I'm going to be able to do this because this is a create many that we're staring at, and so that's why this is having to happen. But I'm going to give it a peek, give it a poke, just real quick. Can I go days? No, okay, there. I answered that very quickly. Trials. So here's what has to happen now. Let me pull this off of here just to make sure that I'm on the right track here. This should be successful, is my theory. Excellent. And oh, where was this? Why is it over there? Where'd Prisma Studio go? Why do I have settings open? I don't want that. Nobody wants that. I hate it when there's stuff open that I don't want. Alright, here. Now I should have trials. Problem is that there are some very important relations on here that I'm not fulfilling. You can see that I got to a couple of these last night. I just ran into midnight, and I don't work past midnight because of my own personal rules. Because if I don't set that rule for myself, ho-ho! Bad news bears. Okay, so these will be kind of annoying. Trial coupons and entries and days. Let's do... These ones aren't too bad by themselves immediately, I don't think. So we're going to do those. And then we're going to do... I'm trying to think. If I'm trying to think, it's going to take a while. We're going to do... These coupons, we have to make these in Stripe for each seed that we do. So it takes a second, but the idea is that you would do this once and you'd have it for a while, right? So if this is a slow HTTP parser, right, seeder, then we can accept that. I mean, it's got to have third-party stuff in it, so it is what it is. So with that said, I do not possess the ability to put those relations directly on here. I'm gonna have to do another assign trial coupons here, and in that functione we are going to probably steal. No, where's the one where I have Stripe stuff? I think in here. We're gonna grab this one, go over here, paste Ola. Okay, so instead of creating a payment account, I want to Stripe coupons create, and I'm gonna clear this out. These are all in the Stripe docs, by the way. If you see something that I'm playing with in Stripe, their SDK for oh, by the way, here's another thing. Just as you're watching, if you're like, what the hell is this? So what I've done here is it's always good to take third-party stuff that you're going to depend on pretty heavily and wrap it up and into some thing that is your own. Now, I've only kind of gone halfway with this idea here. I put this in a package, called it payments, and so now I have the Stripe client in this package. That's not exactly a black box implementation. If I were really going after this, I would continue, instead of just straight exporting the Stripe client, I would probably, as I'm saying this out loud, I kind of want to do it. The goal here is, when in reality, what you really want to do is, let's say, do I have any sitting here? I don't. Here's a good example. Our UI package is built on Mantine, and so we're going to use Mantine for our components out on our UIs. So what we do is we take everything Mantine, we put it in here, and we export it. Now, if we ever come to a time where we want to be like, wait, we want to change everything, instead of going around in our entire application and finding all of our Mantine dependencies, we can address them here specifically, and we will propagate all of those changes out to where they're supposed to go. So now if we redesign the entire app for some reason, we could do stuff in here to try to address that. If we wanted to change from Mantine to Material, we could jump in here and do that. So this is a better implementation, but of that idea. I was satisfied last night with doing this with the Stripe client, but I'm almost rethinking myself. Let's see what this would look like, just out of curiosity. Let's go for an adventure. I'm going to want to import that. Import that client, and then I'll go export const create coupon. So now what's going to happen here is I will go, I'm making my own interface here, right? Instead of using Stripes. And I'm going to wire it to Stripes, of course, but at the same time, when we go to actually use it ourselves, we'll have our own implementation. Interface params. Let's do, I don't even know what I'm going to need. Dang it, I keep pushing the wrong button. Let's see. So coupons create, I don't know. Amount off or percent off, for instance. I would do this, amount off, number, percent off, number. There's probably like a name property on here or something. Yeah, let's do that. I want to be, well, what's up, Knight? What's up, Ballint 404? Let's get a name on here. Let's call it a string. So effectively what I'm going to end up with is const new coupon equals oh wait, no, I go Stripe, nope, payments dot coupons dot, oops, if I can spell, coupons dot create, and then I map my stuff into here. So here we go. Amount off, spelling is so hard, percent off, and so now I can do amount off is what they want, and amount off is what I want, and percent. And so some of you are asking, okay, why? This protects you. in the event that this needs to change. If your company says, hey, we don't like Stripe anymore, we're using Plaid, I think is another one, then all of a sudden you can be like, okay, well, I'll change just this to Plaid and it should work, hopefully. Should be close. So that's what's up. I'm gonna keep pushing the wrong button. I hate that. All right, so instead of, okay, wait, I didn't export it. So let's go here. Let's go export. So actually, I'm not gonna export that client anymore. Instead, just in the interest of, no, let's break it off. Nah, I'm gonna leave it. Export from. I'm gonna do. Oh, I'm in Prisma still. I'm gonna do export that from coupons. Create coupon. And now when I go over here, instead of doing that, oh wait, darn it. This needs to go back because this was about a different thing. This is about accounts, right? No, I'm on trial coupons. Yeah. Okay. What's up, John? How's it going? Build trial coupons. Coupons! This will be... So, here we go. Ready? Could just do that because of them. And let's do... so from payments here, instead of grabbing that, I can go to create coupon and go create coupon, and now I have that stuff. Let's make this so we'll go create trial coupon, and then we'll go test coupon. Let's make this easy for our developers, aka me, to be able to figure out which one is getting looked at. So index. Now create trial coupon needs to take an index. Yeah. That map underscore index. This is a number, and this where am I at? Oh, I don't need any of this stuff. This will be coupons in a second. So coupons, trial, coupon model, and then coupons there. Coupons, coupones, coupons. Rename that one coupon, and this should look different now. This should be yelling at me. Yeah, okay. Coupon. Here, I need to be passing a specific trial ID. I think I just want trials, actually. Trial. What's with the lack of Copilot? They made it paid. Although, I feel like it would make me faster. And I kind of drink the Kool-Aid on that it's probably evil. Because it probably is, realistically. I'm gonna do length of, let's make 30 of them. I don't know. Maybe let's make 7 of them or something. Vercel as a content engineer. Yes, it's awesome. Command, edit, content engineer. Thanks, dude. It's been awesome. Been hanging out with some coolio folios. So that's good times. I don't think I'm feeling this. So what this playlist is, this homie makes like music from games. Like Mario Kart, Animal Crossing. There's a bunch of Banjo-Kazooie ones that in my that like make me really excited when they come on. There's a bunch of Banjo-Kazooie ones. I played that game when I was a little kid, so I really like those ones. There's like a bunch of Super Mario stuff. But I don't know. I'm just not feeling it now. Thought it was gonna be sweeter vibes than it turned out to be. Content engineer. I make engineering specific blog posts on the Vercel blog. Hopefully, spelling won't be hard anymore. Hopefully, in the future, I'll get to do other sorts of content as well. There you go. I had put those commands there, like not knowing exactly what was gonna go on yet, but now I finally have a better idea. So build payment accounts, index. This is a promise.all for each trial. So coupons, build coupons. We're building 7. We're going to then grab an ID for an index. Oh, okay, that's interesting. Not that sick, dude. Not that sick at all, dude. Dude, you're not that sick. Okay, so how do I want to handle this one? Let's do... The problem here is going to be that if I assign a coupon, I don't want it to get re-picked off of that array. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a const assign coupon equals man, this is just so far in the weeds. I don't want my seeder to be like this, but it is what it is. Assign coupon, we're gonna do oh, that's fine. Toya Beaver, what's up, Ernst? What's up, everybody? Assign coupon. I need to, in this function, I started talking to you guys, so I lost my train of thought. In this, I need to pick a coupon from the build coupons array and remove it from the array. Yeah, okay. So we'll do const coops length equals build coupons dot length. We'll do, I'm gonna need that length. I'm gonna need to go actually coops indices index. This will be that -1, and then I'll go math. Whoops, hit the wrong button. And then I'll go math random. It's min max. I literally forget this every single time. Build random number in range. I literally forget it every single time, and I don't feel like thinking. Random number in range. JavaScript. Just don't care enough. That's not what I want. Right there. Just don't care enough. Stuff to do. Math random times that's my max. That's my verifying parentheses. Anyone? And then plus this is 0 though. Never mind, I don't need that. Math random times if the min is 0. Yeah, min 0. Okay, so here now I'm gonna do const the coupon we're gonna use. Get out of here. The coupon we're gonna use, and it's gonna be build coupons index and what? Oh, coops index, and then what am I gonna do with that? I am going to I want to pull it out of the array. That is what should happen? That is slice. Gotta remember this stuff at some point, right? Basic stuff. Slot. There's a splice. Dang it. Ah! There, yeah. Splice, index, how many you want, right? Start, delete count. Wait, what? Replaces 1, inserts at index 1. I just want to rip it off. Why is it replace? Oh, okay. Should be 0. So do. No? Hate it? Why do we hate it? Oh, because I just need the index, not the actual object. And return that coupon. Okay. Yes, I am saying coupon on purpose, by the way. The coupon! Okay, so now we're gonna go assign coupon. .id. No? What is this? This is returning void. That's not correct. I'm returning a coupon. Void. What are we talking about? Void. What are we talking about? What? What even is happening? Oh. Oh, this isn't rich. They're finished. Coupon! Coupon! New. Hello. Coupon. I'm fat fingering a lot today. Dark blood. Oh, sorry, it's not. It's Tokyo Night. I don't know. I don't know why I did that, but I changed it for no reason. And I'm not even sure if I like it. Tokyo Night is what it was called. It's a lie! It is. Here, let me fix it. Command. Edit theme. Great streams? No, you. Thanks, by the way. Command edit theme. Tokyo Night. Okay, so now we go down here. Now we go to, this needs a trial ID. So how do I want to pick one? We're gonna do faker, helpers, helpers. Array element, trial, .id. I win? I don't win. Why don't I win? I like it when I win instead of not win. Because this ID. No. Assign coupon is returning not what I want, apparently. Why do you think you're an array? Because that's an array. Oh, like that? What else are you upset about here, fella? String or undefined is unassignable. Is this one or undefined? No. Is that one? Yes. There's a reason for that, but I don't care. There we go. And so now we're going to assign. I feel like I like this, but we gonna find out. We gonna learn today. This has probably been my one don't love about Prisma. I feel like there's a huge opportunity for them to be able to nice. Don't you just love it when a plan all comes together? Give it to me! Getting seeded with your database is pretty annoying, but there's no way that's working, right? Okay, thank goodness. I was gonna be so... Okay, there we go. You gotta provide an amount or a percent. That's fine. I was gonna be so like, if it worked. I remember my first Node project the other day. My Node 2 TypeScript the other day, and there's a lot of new stuff in TypeScript you don't get in vanilla. Are you talking about as far as like while you're writing or trying to get it set up? Because both of those things are true. Like as far as in the editor, you just get way more. There's way fewer opportunities for mistakes. But getting it set, I don't have my water. I do. Getting it set up, types, interfaces, learning new structure. Gotcha. You know what's interesting? To your last point there about new structure of writing the code, it kind of forces you to be cleaner, right? Forces you to make less mistakes, and you like that. That's kind of the whole point. But at the same time, right? There's more to learn there. But yeah, I mean, I'll give you the skinny on types and interfaces here. Ready? That's pretty much it. The only serious limitation of a type versus an interface that I've ever ran into is this right here. If you want to extend that I am an interface right here, so let me kind of show what I'm talking about. Another interface. Extends I am an interface, and then so now we'll have another. Oh, whoops! Why did I make them actual? There are other subtle differences, and I'll let you run into them after like 5 years of writing TypeScript. Probably, you're probably not going to need to know about these things. Except interface cannot be object key where type key can. For some reason. Okay. Oh, okay, hold on. I think I get what you're saying. But anyway, so if I do I am an interface and this will be okay, well, type dummy just so I can get it to show me IntelliSense. Oh, just kidding. That's annoying. If I do dummy dot, no, I'd have to assign it to something. Const thing equals, and then I go here. I am interface. You think I'd know how to do this by now? Now that I've done it about 100 times for the homies in Strem. Oh my gosh. So there you go. This one only has key on it. And so now that I've extended right here, I get both. I might be even just talking about stuff that you already figured out, but so there's that. What you're talking about took me a minute. What took me a minute? Confused. So yeah, there you go. Except interface cannot be object key where type key can for some reason. Okay, so that limitation. Oh yeah. It definitely did. I thought you were talking about me trying to figure this out. I was like, oh, I don't know, whatever. Anyway, so here's what happens. The limitation here is that this is shaped like an object by, like this is shaping an object, whereas type here, I can go type I am a string equals some string, right? The other thing, so with that, now you can go, so like, I need that back. So let's say this was specifically typed as another. Now I can use that as a reference. How am I gonna write this? I don't know how I'm gonna write this, but that's the limitation, is this is shaped like an object, like by default. I don't know how I would want to say that. Like this is shaped like an object, whereas this isn't necessarily. This can be equal to something in particular. So that's what that is. What else is there? What else is something that's really nice to know? Something I wish somebody told me about TypeScript when I first started. How about this one? This one's super useful, but nobody ever. It's like just not a thing that gets like talked about in, you know, basic TypeScript, but I would consider this extremely useful. So say I have some object right here, it's got key, value, and a number, or let's do this, string, and a number in it, 1 2 3, and another one that is another object inside of here that has another string in it, another value, and another number, and 1 2 3 4, whatever. So something that you can do is you can go const keys of my thing equals key of, or what is it, key of type of object, I don't remember what the hell it is off the top of my head. Type of key of, no. Oh, I did this as a const, my bad. Type key of type of, no, type of key of, type of key of. Yeah, that makes sense in English, right? What am I doing wrong? Type any. I'm typing it wrong, but I'm just too tired to figure out why. I tell you what, being in charge of 2 startups and having a full-time job now, talk about one tired gentleman. I know how to do this, I just don't want to think about it right now. Key of type of, why isn't it doing it? That's what I thought it was. There you go. I wasn't used to the colors of Tokyo Night. I did it right. Okay, so here's what we have. Ready? Because this is something that's super annoying as you're building larger structures and stuff. Thanks, Hive. How am I doing, Universal? It's gonna be good, man. A lot of smart people doing a lot of cool stuff. And looking forward to adding to it and getting to be a part of the effort there. What's up, Costa? The thing that's twisting my brain is string versus string array, string and array. There's 2 different ways to write that as well, as I'm sure you've probably ran into. If you have type string equals string, you can do type array. You can do it as array with a generic, or you can do it as, sorry, it's gonna be all yelling at me, but you can do it as string array, sorry, string So you can do that 2 different ways. So whichever way you prefer. There's no actual difference. Sometimes it's easier to read in certain contexts when you're writing stuff, but wait, what? Oh yeah. So element implicitly has any type because expression type string can't be used to index type. Yeah. Difference between type and interface. How do you do that? You're Superman literally. No, it's not. I've just have to dealt with all this before. So here's what you're looking at, Beta Skull. Something that you run into sometimes is you'll get something like this. Const trying to be a key. This is of type string, and I'll do like another right here, and then you'll try to access object with trying to be a key, and this will yell at you. It'll say this. I think this is actually what you just quoted because it's not an index type. Yes. Okay. This one took me a difference. Yes, this exactly. Okay, so translating this to, here's another thing. This guy right here, TypeScript error translator, can be really, really useful for figuring out what these ridiculous things mean. I don't know if it's super helpful on this one. No index signature with a parameter of string. It's kind of still iffy, but there's certain times where this thing just saves my butt. So, and he's a super smart, cool guy. So, but so here's the problem here. Ready? This object looks like this, and TypeScript knows specifically looks like this, and TypeScript knows that for a fact. It knows that string, number, and another are the keys on this object. It knows that. And so what I'm trying to do here is I'm trying to use just some string as the index, or sorry, as the property name on that object. Installed another plugin today. So what I'm trying to do here is I'm trying to access the stuff on this object using just a plain string. But what TypeScript's trying to tell you here is, wait, you can't do that. Because if this is any string, any string you can come up with, you can put I'm a silly man or whatever. That's not a key on here. That's not any of these ones. So it doesn't want to let you do that. So instead what you can do is you go here, key of type of object, and now this will be okay with you, because key of type of object right here, keys of my thing, I can get rid of this just because that's noise at this point. Key of type of object. This guy is mad at me right now because this doesn't fit. But this guy's happy with us because it knows that key of type of object is string, number, or another. Get it? Got it? Good. So that's, and now if I jump in here, I believe, and so here you go. And here's another advantage to this. This is some custom object shape that you have, right? We have right here. We have right here the properties that are available to us on that object. So we can't do any, we can't do just whatever string we want now. Now we have to have something that is on that object. So if I make that string, I kind of don't like when tutorials do naming like that, but so yeah, that is how you get that done. And that's something that I wish somebody told me when I was first learning TypeScript, because that one is particular, that error message that you're talking about is particularly like, what? Yeah. Yeah, so that's that. Took me a long time to figure that one out. A workaround is to include TS no check at the top. You could turn off TypeScript. You could. Okay, so I'm liking this, so I'm gonna actually go for it. We're gonna do methods, we're gonna do coupons. I'm gonna let that hang out for now. So let's no longer expose this. And then I guess that's the only thing that I can do with that. Stripe payment, yeah. So this disappears. And now we're good. This is going to be unhappy with me now because I have to make new stuff. Let's go here. Whoa. Let's go accounts, I guess. Let's make an index in here, and let's do let me bounce this out. Yeah, we're going down. We'll import from I'm already gonna have this problem. TS configs, boom, paths, ampersand. No, I've been liking doing this. I started doing this and I think I actually like it. I've seen this done a lot of sometimes, I guess. This is, I need a base URL for one thing. That'll be dot. And then, crap, I already forget how I did it. ./star, okay, that's what I thought, but. All right, there we go. And then, so here's what was about to happen, and here's how I'm fixing it. Ready? Let me restart my TypeScript. Hopefully I did this correctly so I don't look like a dumb. Where am I? I want, oh, I needed that. Whoops. Yeah, going down. Down here. Methods. Coupons. What's up, Claudio? Thanks for the follow. You can also check when it's a dynamic value by using key and object. That's, so he just told us that he's learning TypeScript, so I didn't want to continue slowing the waters, Ramioff. Is this a new project? We're doing Doggo. Did you ever run a Turbo app in a Docker Compose? I don't go about it that way. Instead, what I do is I let the backing. So I'm keep it simple by like almost to keep it simple. Instead, what I do is I like to run whatever backing services in a Docker Compose, and then expose the port. So that's what I do, right? I expose the port, let it be on localhost, and everybody can get to it from there. I'm done. The reason that I do that, so you can go the more complex way, right? You can turn your Turbo stuff. You can write Docker files, right? Hello, do I have a Docker file for this yet? Apparently I don't have a Docker file for this yet. You can write Docker files. There we go. No, that's just my dev one. I don't have the Docker files done for this yet. Lamau. Oh no, wait, yeah, I do. I put them in here. So here's the thing. Next is super annoying to Dockerize. So I like to try to do it as little as possible. That's pretty much the long story short. This is an opportunity to not try to Dockerize it. The other thing is the hop module reloading. If you want to enable, oh, looks like I didn't fix this yet. Did I? Oh yeah, I did. If you want to enable the hop module reloading for a Dockerized app, you have to go through like bind mounts and figuring out how to do like build and then show the next Docker file. This is stolen, semi-stolen from Turbo. This is pretty much any Turbo app right here. And I can explain all the steps here, but if somebody wants to hear what the steps are of how a Turbo app gets Dockerized, I can explain, but I'll leave it at that so you can screenshot it. Got it? Good. That's also, he might not be able to hear me. Okay, import. So here's the deal. I can get to payments from there, but now I want to also be able to get to it from Squiggly, right? From Squiggly. Did I not do it? Did I not restart TypeScript? Did I not write this alias how I wanted to? Do I not have a tsconfig even in this? Where did I put that? Great guy. Well, I need this anyway. You know what I could do is put this. No, it's kind of sketchy. Okay, so hopefully now when I go to here, sorry, I'm doing like 12 different things that I'm not explaining like anything well enough. If you guys see me do something that you're like, hey, streamer, what are you doing? What the heck was that, man? If you're doing that, tell me and I'll tell you. There we go, index. There we go, okay. So now I don't have to redo all that pathing like that every time. Okay, so continuing on. I really don't want to put this up for an export to everywhere is the thing. Here's what I'll do. I'll go client TS, put this in here. Do that, and then now I'm going to expose that client, and then go payments. Nice. Okay, and then client. Okay, there we go. Now we're set up for success. I don't even need that in there anymore. Okay, cool. So now I can't get to that client. So what was the purpose of that, if you guys want to know? There was a very specific reason that I did that. Okay, so now I'm finally doing this right here. Create, I'm gonna call this bank account probably. Let me move this over here. I'm going to call this create bank account probably. I'm going to accept certain stuff. I'm going to do interface params. I actually don't know what needs to get passed into here for now. So I'm just going to leave it, I guess. And then it can be payments account create. Create bank account. We'll expose this. And we'll jump over here. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to funnel everything to a sort of master index for all these, for this file tree. So accounts there and coupons. And now this should be able to have, nope, where did I go wrong? Index, that's Prisma, my bad. I want, there we go. And then export. This is also tree shakeable. So if you want to know about that, I can speak to that as well. So methods, and now I got it. Okay, create bank account. And we're gonna do, was that async, by the way? Did I make that async? I did, okay, good. Of course it was. It wouldn't have worked otherwise. So now I can get rid of this. And I have create bank account. And I don't know what to pass to it yet. So, looks like I gotta do that. It's kind of annoying. Oh, this always annoys the heck out of me. Well, I guess I should do this. There, and then now I can like not pass anything to it. if I want. Okay, I guess. Let's see about... That was kind of writing code for the sake of code, unfortunately, but let me check into trials here. That one works. Coupons. This one also works. Okay, we're back on track. Let's see. Must provide % off or amount off. So here, amount off. I think I'm gonna actually wrap that try catch myself so that I can wrap this in a try catch myself. So what happens here is the Stripe API, it requires you to either provide, you have to give it one of these and only one of these. That's for the coupon. It needs to know if it's going to assign in a certain amount that this is discounted for or just some percentage. And so, right? Does that make sense? Because it's a coupon. New coupon. And then we'll go throw new error. Do I want to just toss their error? Not really. How about I do this actually? You have to provide one or the other. So and not both. If no amount off and no % off, throw you can't do that. Throw new error. You must provide either an amount or percentage to deduct. And then this is the same thing. If you have both, there, neither of those conditions. I feel like I can write that in one line, in one thing, but I don't care. So now amount off. I don't know. Doesn't really matter, does it? Let's make it always be 20. I don't know. Let's make it always be 5. Sure. I don't really. It's not really that important. Yarn seed. Why are you catching an error and throwing a new one? Because I'm an idiot and I probably wasn't thinking about it. Let me see. It's really hard to think about what you're doing and stream and talk. Yeah, I don't know why. I don't know. Yeah, that was dumb. Lost track of it. TY. Hello? You're not gonna... You don't like it? What did I just do? Try. Oh. No? I just read it wrong? What do you finally? What do you need it finally for? I guess I just don't even need this block. Yeah. What am I even... Just got myself totally tripped up, huh? Okay. Did it work? Can't get that from there. Thanks, Cooney. What's up? Glycancheck. I want to learn TypeScript React next. Web is interesting. Do you program other stuff at this hour? Writing a program to see my database. I kind of hate it, but we totally need it. We've needed it like 5 times, and it needed to be done, but I just didn't have time. Okay, I need to get all this noise out of here because that's not it. Okay, it's not even the file I wanted. Trial coops. Yeah, it was. Module client has no exported member payments. Did you mean to use import payments from yada 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 instead? No. It's literally right there. Literally. Oh. Does that tsconf? That's suspect. That is very suspect. Okay, maybe we're not gonna do our fancy pants pathing then. Don't matter. A couple dots never hurt anybody. Good, good. There's literally only one spot anyway. C# at my working student job. Nice. Yeah, no, the web's a good time until it's not. The web's a good time until you find out you must pass a currency. The web's a good time until you find out that it's not fun. No, I'm just kidding. USD, I believe, is what. It's just complicated. It gets very complicated very quickly. What's up, Codemaster? Looking to go into JavaScript typing in front of stuff. Still streaming on the PC? I am, sir. Can't remember if you find ID. This is at 2737 Prisma Seed trial coupons. Prisma Seed trial coupons. Can't read properties of undefined on ID. There we go. How's the MacBook? It's cool, man. I'm not gonna lie. I have half a mind to get a capture card so that I can send my MacBook to my stream PC and use this thing as a stream PC, because that thing's pretty badass. It's pretty cool. I still don't like a lot about, I mean, and it's just probably unfamiliarity. I don't like well, for one thing, I don't like that, like, mixing my work and personal stuff. I don't want to have to do that. And then I don't like the command and control key. It's seemingly very random when control and when command. What? I don't know. What else? And it just makes it really annoying for me going back and forth from my Windows to that one. I don't know which one to push. Like on Windows, and I would assume Linux, of the very little that I've done of it, I've never ran into that kind of same problem. Yeah, it's annoying. But other than that, I mean, the picture quality is really good. It feels good to use. It's fast. Unix based is nice. I actually installed Space Vim on it just for fun. And I think I might end up liking that. But I don't know. I think I might use Space Vim at some point just for funsies when I feel like changing it up. But yeah. Does Versa Lake stream your work? That'd be cool. I could, yeah. As long as I'm not doing anything, secretive. But I do a lot more writing. Like I'm usually like editing a Google Doc, so it's not particularly interesting, probably. There was a time this week when I was like, you guys, I haven't used Vercel and I don't even know how long. I need to like actually use it. And so I was playing with the platform, deploying something just to deploy it. So yeah, there was a midweek stream of me doing Vercelium work. It just depends what it is. If I'm gonna do an experiment to like set up a starter or whatever, and it's gonna be open source and whatever, nobody's gonna care. Of course, that's entirely the point. But if I'm sitting here like writing, it's probably not that interesting. I can maybe I can't. I don't know. I don't know where to draw the lines. Maybe after the article's out, I can go through kind of what I wrote about, I guess, with you guys. Wait, you work for Vercel? Yeah, I started working for Vercel 2 weeks ago. which is why my streams haven't been as often, unfortunately. I have been between, I mean, only a psycho redeploys an entire two-sided migration on their application in the same week as starting a new job. I did that. And I've been stressed out for like a week and a half, probably 2 weeks straight. And so, yeah, show us some of the stuff we've written when it comes out. Yeah, absolutely. Something that's new for me is red tape, of course. You know, when I was, you know, I've worked for myself for all this time, and like having to get stuff approved and run something by someone, ask this person this question, go ask this, but you know, like I've just never had to do that. And so like I've been sitting there writing and I'm like, I would have this done already if it was just me, but but that's the way it goes, right? What's up, Nikhil? I'm good, man. As long as you're good, Nikhil, I'm good. So you tell me. Your website's hosted on Vercel? Nice. It's super easy to use, man. The Vercel CLI is super nice. You can get your testing. Something that I haven't played with is Checkly, getting your integration stuff, or sorry, your end-to-end tests. And I think you can put your units in there into Checkly as well. Don't quote me. But you can get it all wired into the same thing. It's pretty cool. It's been a long time since I actually used the Vercel platform myself, as you guys know. And since I've used it, there's been some cool stuff that I was completely unaware of that they have. What's up, Zakao? How you doing? What's up, Zugad? Cool. Okay, I caught up. Now be quiet. I'm just kidding. Apparently I don't need this index. Pardon. This is wrong, but I'm gonna leave it here so that this compiles. And then I guess I need to see what this trial is. Trials. Wondering that as well. I guess I need to see what those are. Those are what I expected. Okay. So then why are we telling me that can't read properties identifying a reading ID at 2937? 29. Yeah, that right there. Suspect. And like I said, if anybody has questions on, there's like probably 6 different things going on in here. If you guys want the context on like, hey, what's that faker thing? Or, oh, whoops. That was dumb. Why did I think that was gonna work? Gotta run. Oops. Doesn't like that that's a function call. Neither do I, though. Get out of my way. I just want to know what those are, though. Tell me what it is, though, because when I log it earlier, though, it's not what I expect it to be, though. Partial trial. ID. Why is that on or undefined? Oh, because partial trial. But I thought we decided const. I thought we decided those aren't going to be undefined, technically. I had to partial it because of something Prisma was tossing out, but console log trials, trials.map trial. If I do this, I should be getting. Maybe I'm looking at the wrong thing. Maybe these are undefined. I don't really know. Maybe I didn't await something. That's probably going to be the what happened. Do 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 do. Yeah. Okay, so then what's undefined here? Is assign coupon undefined? It might be. That one's a little more convoluted just looking at it. Let's go const coupon ID equals assign coupon ID coupon ID console log. Ooh, you've never heard a sweeter console log, let me tell you. I don't want that. I don't want that. Database is gonna have like 1,000 users in it. Look at that, guys. I haven't even built the app yet, and I have so many users. It's crazy. That has an ID too. What are we saying doesn't have an ID here? So that's tastic. 26. It looks like this thing. Keep forgetting this is down here. Can't read properties of undefined reading ID. Oh, I know why. Okay. Right here. I did something wrong right here. I just can't see what it is because I am not thinking clearly. Because I am tired. Alright, that's gonna give me some of that dope thick info. Wow, you guys are talking so much. I love it. I love it. Anthony from Kidder, what is it like being the coding god? You got the wrong guy. Are you talking? Is he talking to me? See? Is this thing on? Really? I'm just kidding, man. Just a lot of practice. A lot of practice, a lot of effort over time, man. We're on Selenium, it's not easy as it looks. It is really complicated. Ooh, pain. Doing good. Hey, it's been good, man. I've just been stressed out. Like I said, probably 10 minutes ago it was probably. Only a Psycho deploys a 2-part migration the same week that they start their first full-time tech gig. Clown. I mean, I should be wearing a big red nose. Let me tell you. Full stack comedian, straight to the profile, straight to the dating profile. What's up, Asbio? Hey, if it helps you out. Well, here's the thing. I don't want to be, that's part of my personality. That was my joke, right? But if that's, part of your personality, you don't want to sell yourself on the dating profile, something you're not going to back up, right? If somebody, if she says, tell me a joke, and you're like, oh, well then, you're a full stack bullshitter. That's what you are. Esbium 96. That's what they're gonna say. And I apologize for my language, but that's what they said it, not me. But if she says, "Oh, Esbium, I saw Full Stack Comedian on your profile. Tell me a joke," and you say, "Ma'am, let me tell you a joke. What do you get when you cross a dog with a computer? A megabyte." And then she goes,
You are a full stack comedian. Hey, come here, man, mate.
"Nah, you're onto something." When's the promotion to DevRel director? I think Lee's got that pretty well locked down, and I definitely respect Lee. So, I love his work, and so getting to talk to him every day about stuff is really cool. Heard Railway's killing it. I keep hearing the Railway name. I don't even know. Bring your code. We'll handle the rest. So it's Baby Vercel. Made for any language, probably big and small, railways, cloud, takes complexity out of shipping. Show me this. Only pay for resources after $10. Up to RAM. Tell me about bandwidth, because that's what I care about. I don't care about this at all. Tell me about bandwidth, fella. Is there more than this? How do I deploy something? Show me. Do they have a Next.js starter or something? Do you have? This looks like. I don't know what I'm looking at. I'll have to figure out what it is later. Secret manager. This is also a big one too. This is super annoying to deal with when you're really starting to build an app. Like when you have a couple secrets in your side project, not too big of a deal, not that bad. But when this starts to build up, it's so annoying. Auto magic builds. This is interesting. I can play with this. I could play with this. Oh, there we go. What? Blitz. Datadog, a containerized Datadog agent. Could I put Sentry into? Nope. Little Discord bots. A little bit of Express Prisma. Well, I gotta ask the question, where's the Next.js one? Next.js Prisma. Next.js Prisma TRBT. Heyo. Cool. I dig it. I'm sure I passed over an Express one, right? Express, yeah. Cool. That covers my 2 use cases, I'll tell you that much. Express, and then that. Could be interesting. Okay, anyway, continuing. What's up, Seaplane? How you doing? Works well for servers, not a huge fan of deploying clients on there. That's what I was wondering. Dockerized apps are faster. Saw a benchmark the other day. Did I switch to Yarn? I turned... I think something that you guys need to realize about me, I have no attachment to tools other than Next.js, probably Prisma at this point, and probably Turbo at this point. Like those are my 3. Like TRPC is kind of getting there though. If TRPC does one more thing, then like those are the only 4 that I'm like genuinely attached to. I turned this into Yarn because there used to be a limitation, or I started using Yarn with Turbo. There used to be a limitation with Turbo that you couldn't use NPM workspaces correctly when you Dockerized or something like that. I forget exactly what it was, but I was like, whatever, I'll just strap Yarn in then. I don't care. No, and the other stuff I work on is still NPM. Like I just genuinely don't care. What's up, Charlie? Saw the video shaking the prod, looks interesting. Yeah, well, I'm just trying to get dummy data for us to use while we dev. It's pretty annoying. Now see why people just buy iPhones. Been here days looking at phones, trying to find a nice one and a nice price range, narrow down from 200 phones at 10. Yeah, as much as Apple sucks and I don't want to like their products, this thing is freaking awesome. And I don't want to say that. I can't stand Apple, like, as far as, you know, consumer whatever. The consumers, they're so anti-consumer, it's painful. But this thing is so badass. And then this thing, I also got these things. And then I also have this thing. So, like, I hate Apple. But these things are awesome. The products really are that good. Unfortunately, I hate to admit it, but it is what it is. The SE is too small. I like a small phone because I don't I like a small phone. I don't like to use my phone that much. I try to use my phone as little as possible, and I actually mean that. Oh, sorry, Indian fanboy. Let's see. My GPU is 3070. I got my GPU is a 3070. My CPU is the 3700X. I've got 4 sticks of RAM in there to make 64. I guess that's really the interesting part. There's a crucial 500 gigabyte SSD sitting there. There you go. That's probably all the important parts. Am I more into CS or IT? Definitely. Well, I guess CS, writing code. I don't really like doing either of those things. I like writing apps. I like making products. I will say I've gotten more interested in like doing library stuff, which is like closer to like engineering CSS-ish. But no, I mean, neither of those things really. On a budget, so I gotta go Android. Gotcha. Verdict? What were you asking for a verdict on, Ghosty? And that's why I stopped using Android. Once about the SE is too small. M1 did it for me. That's what I have. It's incredible. I got maxed out M1 and geez, it's fast. Yeah, it's crazy. Time to go. Good night. Thanks, Nikhil. Thanks for hanging out, dude. MacBooks are a beast for productivity. Basically, a result of their anti. Yeah, exactly. It sucks. They're like so evil, but that's a nice computer. I like get excited to use that thing. Intel done killed by Ryzen and Silicon. It's true. It's true. It's true. All right. So what was my problem here? I do have an empty array sitting here, and then I do have an undefined. So what's happening here is I have build coupons. Let me see. So here's what's happening. Ready? Build, coupons. Here's what's happening is I am mistakenly, I thought I was splicing the one thing that I wanted, but maybe I'm not. And so then when this reran again, it was gonna have, so if it started off with 3, then it would be 2, then it would be 0. But apparently I'm wrong. Okay, there you go. So there's like 10 of these. That's the ID that I want it to be. Okay, so that's correct. My splice is jacked up. This is slice. Is it not? And then 1. Ooh!
2-month baby.
Well, that's your 3rd month. It says resubscribe for 3 months. We can have a 3-month baby. Most of our products are built like a tank, but when they break, you might as well throw them in trash. That's another thing too. Don't know why I keep saying 2 when it's actually 3. Wanted to give the Nothing phone a chance, but it's only being released in Europe. I don't even know what that is. There's a phone called the Nothing phone. Is that what you're saying? Okay, so I'm getting my numbers there as far as like test coupon 0, 1. Okay, so that's at least cool. But yeah, it looks like I'm shaving that off, and then I'm doing something weird with this. Oh, gotcha. Twitch's sub thing has a bug. You know, it's somebody helped me to save Kidder. Actually, a streamer helped me, and because he was having a problem with that. We were having this. We were having a problem. I'm just gonna leave it at that because I don't want to talk about it anymore. Seriously. So I went to gift him subs and I couldn't. I could only get one through. And I was like, okay, sorry, dude. I'm gonna have to do them later because it's kept giving me a little bug thing. What's up, Foggy Doggy? I'm trying to get your seed done, bro. I did something stupid right here, though. I'm only experiencing a Mac with it. 2, you know, how thin. Handles heat, so cool. Silent underload. See, I don't really. That doesn't really get me going. The whole like, no fan noise. I'm like, okay. I guess. I don't really. Why? Okay. If it's don't get me wrong. If it's egregious, where I'm just sitting there and things like, then okay. But like, I don't know. My computer's sitting right here, and it's mostly okay. There we go. My coupon index isn't being taken to an integer. I need to do math floor. Am I ever going to make it to the end of the array doing this, though? Now I can't get to the last item of the array. It doesn't matter, though, because it doesn't matter. All good, especially running Docker, yeah. Docker can be a beast on their own computer. 2, okay, that's sufficient. So then now I don't know what that was supposed to be. I don't know what this is. Okay, let's bring that back. Coupon. That's the actual coupon. What is this? This is... Oh, maybe it's not. I'm gonna need that just to figure this out. Don't care about FanBoys. Do a lot, even on PC. You got Noctua stuff? I don't know. It's just never been something that I cared about, I guess. This thing's sitting here humming, and it's... I don't know. It doesn't bother me. I think it's kind of one of those things, though, that you're like, it didn't bother me until it did. You know, like somebody mentioned it, and then all of a sudden I hated it, or something. You know, I feel like it's probably one of those things. Probably always have some. Yeah, I do pretty much always listen to music. That's probably true too. What am I doing wrong there? So I have a bunch of coupons. I have a coupon that I tried to pull off, but I didn't. Was this splice? Oh my gosh. Go away. JavaScript splice. Thank you. I thought it was. Here, that's gonna be it. I just need the simple. Splice 2.0 lemon kiwi. I just wanna splice, add or remove array elements. Index. Required position to add or remove items. Thanks for follow. Environ. Thanks for all the new follows and stuff, guys. If you're not in the Discord, I highly recommend it. There's a lot of smart people in there talking about a lot of smart stuff. And if you're a junior, you can ask questions too. I answer them all the time. Other people answer them all the time. It's good vibes. And you get notifications for when you can see this beautiful, strongly jawlined face.
Streamer, you should be a little more humble than that. You're really kind of funny looking. We know you put on makeup to do this stream and stuff like that. That's not, you shouldn't do that or say that.
I'm learning Python in W3 schools. It's the best. Nice. I don't know anywhere to learn Python. I've never tried. Splice 2. That. Okay, great. If I do 2, 1. Okay, so I have a 0 there, don't I? No, I don't. What is going on here? That one I'm good with. I'm right with the Lord on that one. Oh. Oh, this is definitely wrong. I can tell you that. Coupon 0 is undefined. Yeah. Oh. Alright. Alright. Guess there was a reason I did that, right? Environ said, haha. 47 viewers? That's a real number? Hi everybody. Oh god, now I'm nervous. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, now I got it. What? Now I got it. I don't know. I don't even know what I just did. What did I do? Oh, I had slice and I turned it into splice. Annoying. Okay. Trial IDs. This one is wrong somehow. What? Target trial ID. Unique constraint failed on the field. Trial ID for a location. Oh, okay. I think I'm good actually. Ready? That fails when my database has been, when I've tried to write to it and write to it and write to it and write to it and write to it. I think I'm good now. So I need to hit a DB reset, yarn DB reset, boom, and I think I might get there. My wife asked if you can be her boyfriend. You're so dumb. Don't make jokes like that. That's not fun. I don't have time. I already have one amazing woman in my life. Okay, that passed. Go here. I should have trial coupons? No? Okay, at least I have a chairman, but I already had that. Where's my trial? Trial coupon. I never... Let's see, what did I not do? Oh, I never assigned them. I never actually went and did the assignment, because in here, what I decided I wanted to do was I wanted to do the Prisma calls up there. I don't know if I want to do that still, though. I'd rather put all of the actual Prisma calls up top, I feel like. And do like create this, create that, create that. Would I though? I like this pattern better. Actually, I think I am going to take this back. I take it back. Take it way, way back. Prisma. I need import Prisma from that Yankola GD. Bam. Take it way back. Take it way, way, way back. Async run dot slash Prisma. All good in the hood. Gone. Oh, okay. I think the man. No, that's why I was doing this. Okay. But why? Wait. Why would that be different now? Oh, it needs to get weighted. My bad. There we go. I'm wondering if I dump these into this function. Handle them in there. I'm just gonna keep going. It's not refactoring stuff like that isn't really important right now. Okay, so Tabo, let's dump this out and go again. So as a more CS over IT guy, you'd prefer to brainstorm on DSA over learning new frameworks for your app? I would say IT doesn't even fall under that. I would actually probably say IT would put you more on DevOps. I would call both of those things CS, writing code, writing application code. They're both writing application code, so I would probably, mentally in my mind at least, dump both of those into the CS bucket if you're making me CS or IT with those. Oh, I never actually did the assignment, did I? Yeah, okay. Truckabon. How did I do this? I did await Prisma, create. That's a 1 though. Oh, this is interesting. So now I have a bunch of coupons sitting there, and I'm gonna do. No, this is good. This is good. Import Prisma from / await Prisma coupon trial coupon create many coupons. No, I have to go data coupons. That should work. Probably, hopefully. I think. Alright, dump it out again because I'm dumb. Like I said, I have a lot of moving parts in here, and so I have a lot of moving parts in here as far as like, what's your doggo payments thing? Like, what are you even doing? So feel free to ask any questions if you guys have them. I'm always good for, if I'm streaming, then I expect to serve you guys, so no problem there. Okay, that looked successful. Let's see. If I won, then I have coupons sitting right there. Yes. Okay, so now I know the pattern at least. Entries I can leave blank. Days is going to be horrible. We're going to make entry prices as well. Something that I'm realizing I didn't do here on create coupon. So what has to happen here is these need to be assigned specifically to... Oh, wait, what? These need to be assigned specifically to an account.